Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is verbs for all levels. It will start easy and then it will get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Turn. We will turn left soon. Number 2. When she needs help, we always... This is similar to help. Support. We always support her when she needs help. To support somebody with help and kind words. To support a building with some kind of structure. Bob just has to... The fact that he will never get a job here. This means he has to learn to live with it. Accept. He has to accept the fact that he'll never get a job here. The bus is moving. The wheels on the bus are rolling. The wheels on the bus are rolling. So the bus is moving. This one means Bob wants to see many parts of France. And the first missing letter is a U. To tour around France. To tour through France. Their family always gifts when they meet during the holidays. This means one person gives a gift to another person, and that person gives a gift to that person. Their family always exchanges gifts when they meet during the holidays. Also, sometimes when you buy something, if you don't like it, you can take it back to the store and exchange it. Bob is trying to his tent into the small bag. The tent is very big and he's pushing it like that. Stuff. He's trying to stuff his tent into the small bag. To stuff something into something. To stuff something in something. Both are correct. That Bob doesn't want to come dancing with us. This means we think it, but we're not sure. We don't have proof. We assume that he doesn't want to come. That engine runs on gasoline. That engine is powered by gasoline. They are worried because the company might... This means make the river dirty. They might dump harmful substances in the water in the river and pollute it. Contaminate. Bye-bye.